Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the start of the show, we have this beautiful 2015 Ram 1500 Bighorn Crew Cab 4x4. Under the hood, you're going to find the legendary 5.7 liter V8 HEMI engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This also features the 3.92 rear axle ratio. It is shown in that bright white color, and down below you'll be riding on 17-inch chrome-clad wheels. This Ram has been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll just give you a quick shot of these gorgeous tires. They look brand new if I'm not mistaken. Again, side steps helping you in. Signal light indicators there on the mirrors, which is a nice safety feature, letting those around you know what's happening. As we head on inside here, you have a beautiful dark gray interior, power mirrors, windows, and locks, including those power folding mirrors. And then once inside here, you have a really pretty custom leather. It is kind of a cream finish with a black insert. You get that nice Ram detailing. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with lumbar support as well. On your steering wheel, you have cruise control and shifting options to your right. To your left, Bluetooth and hands-free and dash selection buttons. You also have a tilt option on the steering wheel, fully automatic headlights. And the current mileage on this unit is 85,511 kilometers on this currently. You also have a full menu of information that you can scroll through, of course. And then over to the right, you do have your ignition area, dial shifting knob with 4x4 options, Ram detailing up top, AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media, you can connect through USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. There is a button or screen specifically to help you pair your phone, compass settings, and more. You also have a great backup camera in here. And then as we move on down, you have your climate control with air conditioning, trailer brake control, tow haul traction control, an AC outlet to the right, 12 volts outlet in the middle, 2 large cup holders, nice shallow area here that holds all of your media ports tucked away, and then down below tons of extra space. We'll give you a quick pan through again on this beautiful catskin leather. Everything is in amazing condition. Glove compartment down below, additional space above that. You also have vanity mirrors that are illuminated up above. And up top here, you have your rear sliding window, garage door transmitters, and cabin lighting. As we head into the back, again, beautiful two-tone gray interior, side steps helping you in. And then again, this really pretty custom leather. So underneath, you do have storage on both sides, and you get this platform that comes out and secures. So you can get a nice flat traveling surface. There is a runner along the bottom, keeping everything in great condition, and storage beneath the feet. As we head into the back, it is lined for added durability, and again, you do have that trailer hitch receiver on there. So as you can see, that was just a very quick tour. If you have any questions or want to get this on the road for a test drive, we'd love to give you a hand with any of that. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.